Good morning everyone. In earlier video we have learned about minerals, ores, that one is gangue, or either you can say it's a gang particle matrix. Okay, we have learned. Okay, now I think it's clear to you what's the difference between minerals and ores. I think you know all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ore, because ores are, again, it's a substance. It's simple, it's a ores are those minerals from which we can extract metal. Now today we'll study about some important ore. Okay, you have to learn their formulas. Okay, because these are some important ore. This one is required because in this chapter, okay, our next topic is it's a extraction of metals. How metals are extracted. We have so many methods to extract metal from their ores. Okay, now just check some important ore. We have so many ores of different metals, but for you, okay, very few are there. These are more important as comparison to other one. So at least these ores you have to learn. Now first of all, just see, this one is, okay, metal. Now first one is metal aluminium, symbol it's a Al. The important ore of aluminium is bauxite, and their formula or either composition, it's aluminium and oxygen. Now formula is Al2O3.2H2O. This one is bauxite. Now when you remove this water molecule, that is 2H2O, then it becomes Al2O3, it's alumina. That one is known as corundum. That one is also another ore, but your main concern is with bauxite. Now another one is, we have second one, that one is iron. Okay, iron, it's a Fe. Two important ore of iron, one is hematite, that is Fe2O3. Another one is magnetite, it's a Fe3O4. This one is magnetic oxide of iron. This one is magnetite, it's a magnetic oxide of iron. Okay, now another one, we have another metal, that one is zinc. Now zinc, important ore is zinc blende. It's written like BLENDE. Okay, pronunciation कैसा आना चाहिए, zinc blende, but we pronunciated zinc blende. This one is ZnS. It's a very important ore of sulfite. Okay, then another one we have, it's a Pb, galena. Okay, ore formula is PbS. Now ore, important ore of copper. So we have cuprite, we have copper pyrite. Cuprite formula is Cu2O, and copper pyrite we have formula CuFeS2. Okay, important ore of copper. Another ores we have, okay, but important one is these two, especially for 10th class. Now silver, the important one is Horn silver. Okay, formula is AgCl. Now this one, okay, that one is again Hg, mercury. Hg, it's a symbol of mercury. Important one, it's a cinnabar. Okay, someone called it a Chinabar also. Okay, but it's a cinnabar. Okay, and formula is HgS. Again, it's a sulfide ore. So these are some important ore that you have to learn. Let's see. Okay, now our next topic is, it's an extraction of metals. Now you know about ore. The biggest question is how metals are again obtained from ore. How we can extract that one. So whatever is the process involved in the extraction of metal, okay, from their ore, that one is known as metallurgy. Okay, this one is a flow chart. I'll explain this. After that we will study all these things in detail. Now your first work is, that one is again it's ore. Okay, generally ores are present in big rock form. होते बड़े-बड़े size में होते हैं खूब सारे. Okay, that one is, it is present in large size rock form में होते हैं. Okay, so first of all your work is, you have to convert ore into powdered ore. Okay, powdered ore में जैसे बनाते हैं powdered form में. Okay, and how to convert this into powdered ore, that one is by the process of pulverization. It's not pulverization, it's a pulverization. Okay, generally in this, what happen in case of pulverization, that there are big jaw mills, ball mills, and we put ore into it just like a grinding machine. जैसे घर में मिक्सर वगैरह होते हैं तो बड़े बड़े jaws and mills होते हैं, where that ores are crushed or grind into powdered form. Okay, so that one is that process of converting ore into powdered ore in big jaw mills and something, that one is known as pulverization. Okay, now after that, after this, once it is converted into powdered ore, Then second method we have, okay, there is a concentration of ore. Okay, either you can say concentration, okay, that concentration is also known as benefaction or dressing of ore. Okay, and for this we have so many different methods how to concentrate ore. Okay, now in higher classes directly we will study, okay, either it's a hydraulic washing, fourth flotation method, but here we'll learn how to concentrate ore. So simple, okay, first of all on the basis of their reactivity, already we have done reactivity series. On the basis of reactivity, okay, they are concentrated. Now the first of all metals of high reactivity, okay, metals of low reactivity, okay, and metals of medium reactivity. Now in case of metals of high reactivity, generally it's either it's a sodium, potassium, calcium, okay, they're metals of high reactivity. By the help of electrolysis of molten salt, okay, we can extract metal, and after that pure metal you get, because this one is a method by which we can get a 99.9% pure metal. Okay, now second thing is metals of medium reactivity. Okay, in this one either it's a Zn, Pb, iron, okay, it depends कि कोई किस type का आपका है. Now generally in this one metals of medium reactivity, generally they are either present in sulfide form, either in carbonate form. So if that metal is present in carbonate form, okay, so then this one is carbonate form. So generally with the help of that process calcination, we have one process, that one is calcination. Later on we will study in detail. With the help of calcination, that carbonate ore is converted into oxide of metal or metal oxide. Same condition if we have sulfide ore, so with the help of roasting, okay, it is converted into oxide ore. And once it is converted into oxide, then with the help of suitable reducing agent, we can convert it into, okay, normal oxide one. This one is after that you can reduce this with reducing agent, and at last, okay, purification of impure metal. Whatever metal you get after this process of reduction with some reducing agent, then last one is purification of pure metal. For purification also we have different methods, either it's electrolysis, that one is best method. Okay, now next one is metal of low reactivity. For example, either it's a mercury or either it's a copper. Generally they are low reactive metal, and generally their sulfides are present, either it's a HGS, it's a cinnabar, either it's a CuS, it depends कि किस type का आपको use कर रहे हैं. That one is, okay, generally sulfide ore, low reactivity. This one is okay. Now generally their sulfide ore is present. Now with the help of roasting, they are converted into oxide ore, and after that once it is converted into oxide, then simple by heating, because their reactivity is low, when we heat it, so generally they are converted into metals. Okay, no other difficult method or some typical method is required. Okay, sometimes simple by heating that low reactive metal we can get simply by heating. First converted into their oxide, okay, and after that heat it and we will get, okay, simple metal. So this one is a flow chart. All these things we will study in detail in our next video. Okay, thank you.